Today we're at Maricopa Middle School, home of the Indians, and we're here to... And today we're at Maricopa Middle School working with some 7th and 8th grade students, and we're going to work on a problem where you have control over how you're going to solve this problem, all right? There are going to be some things that you must do, but first we need to make sure that we know all the vocabulary and exactly what we need to do. So it says, using any of the digits 1 through 4, make the largest product. So what does product mean we're going to do? We're going to multiply. Right, so we're going to multiply some numbers, okay? Now, using any of the digits 1 through 4, make the largest product. So there are different things we could do. Go ahead and write down a couple of things that you might be able to do. You can use the numbers 1 through 4. You're going to multiply. You can use each number once. Okay, so you can't go 44 times 44. All right?
Can we multiply both our products over and over again?
No.
Okay.
So think of how could you arrange those numbers so that you could come up with the largest product. You can only use the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and each number can only be used once. So you want to go, okay, so you can, but now you're only using 2 numbers. So you want to use all 4 numbers if you can. So you would have to do how could you make a bigger number? Instead of multiplying a single digit by a single digit, what else could you do? Could you multiply a 2-digit by a 2-digit? You could. Then that's going to get you a bigger number, isn't it? Okay, so go ahead and think about that if you haven't done that yet. So instead of 4 times 3, could you go 43 times something? Right, because you want to use all 4 numbers. You could use 21, right? Because you could go 43 times 12, and you could do 43 times 21. Now, which one's going to be bigger?
21.
Go ahead and try it. See what's going on. See if you can make anything bigger than that, though.
I got something. 40.
Go ahead. Show everybody else. See what's going on. See if you guys can get a larger number right there.
No.
So remember, the key is to use all 4 numbers and to get the largest product you can. Because somebody might go, all right, I'm just going to start with, I'm going to go 1, 2, 12 times 3, 4. 1, 2, 12 times 34. Try that, see what you get, right? Somebody else might go, well, I'm going to do the odd numbers times the even numbers, right? You could do that, see what that comes up with. So there's a lot of different things you could try, and what you want to do is see if you can come up with the largest number using all 4 numbers. Right? You want the largest product.
I thought it was something that would work much better.
You thought something that would work much better?
Yeah.
And it worked? Not yet? Still working on it?
I already got my answer. But now I just thought of something that would have worked even better than that.
Oh, you thought of something that would work better than that? All right, go ahead and try it. That's a nice, clever idea right there. So one idea was he was using parentheses. Ooh, she says, yeah, to group some numbers together because you might be able to make it larger that way, right? But remember, you can only use each number once. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And when we come back to Maricopa Middle School, we'll see how the kids are doing in 7th and 8th grade with the largest product.